Alright, so we just parked at the plane pool, getting ready to walk in.
A little late.
We're running a little bit late, so we gotta catch a shuttle. We're supposed to pull in like 2 minutes. So, alright, see you guys there. Alright, we made it on the shuttle. What do you think so far?
Reminds me of the old days. Riding the shuttle to work.
She used to work here, actually.
Fellas. Yep.
So apparently we're next to pool. We gotta go all the way down that way to get to our plane and our team. So we're rushing over there now. What's up, man?
We're gonna get a picture.
We missed the pool. But we're about to take a team picture anyways. So how was the pool?
Great. Worked really hard. We had a really good, strong anchor in the back. Really worked together as a team, and I think we pulled it.
You had a good coach and everything?
Oh, we didn't have a coach. We just freestyled.
Oh, okay, nice.
Waiting on you.
Hey, let's act like we didn't pull.
All right. Go interview.
What's up, dude? You ready to pull?
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Let's do it.
Right there. You ready to go? What's up, man? We're up next. We're next? Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready? You ready? Are you ready?
No.
How are you? Next year. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope we're not gonna be like last year where they told us to come for a bit and then we wait like for 2 hours. Well, we're done. What, you're done?
Yeah, we already pulled.
Alright. Alright, man.
Alright, see you later.
We missed it too.
We were like running up here. What'd you think of the pool?
Oh, the pool was friggin' awesome, man. First time.
Yeah?
It was incredible, man. We almost like tried to pull the thing when we have been all over the place. It was crazy, but it was awesome.
That's good, man. That's awesome. I'm so mad that we missed it.
Man, we were like, we needed you. If we probably got second place, but if you were here, we'd have probably gotten here first place, man.
I know. We probably would have won.
I know.
Not tooting my own horn or anything.
Next year, man.
we don't have any competition to sheriff's offices.
What can you do? It's all good.
There.
Good day out.
We came out, still a nice day. We're gonna check out the car show and the airplanes and everything, and
I know, man.
go eat some food.
Hey, man, I got a burger in the system. I had to get some more in there, man. Heck yeah.
That's good.
Actually, had beer here. Like,
I was thinking
what
this,
the
they
heck?
had some mugs, you know? I was like, come on.
We're like,
Best in the mugs.
we're gonna go get some margaritas and tacos after this.
That sounds amazing.
That should be me right now. Hiding under the
They got the right idea.
Yeah. There's like a big close-up on my face.
You want your sunscreen, right?
Well, we didn't get to pull the plane, but we're gonna check out the car show and see what kind of rides are here.
Yep.
Oh look, that's her favorite.
I like those little things.
America.
Mark.
Oh, this is the best one in the show. That's your favorite. It's your other favorite. International Harvester.
That's a sexy tractor.
She thinks my tractor's sexy. Look how tall this wheel is. Are you waving at the helicopter? You brought the car.
Yeah.
How's it going, man? Met you at Cars and Cigars.
That's right.
They will do anything.
Well, man, it was nice seeing you again. Check out the video. He's got the middle finger ornament.
That's awesome.
Hey Nick, remember this guy? What'd you think so far, babe? It's awesome.
Even though we basically have opposite taste in cars. Okay. That's what makes our relationship work.
Yeah. We have a plethora. I don't even.
I'm a Chevy. You're a Ford.
I'm a Ford. I like both though. But nobody can hate on a Volkswagen bus.
No.
'78 VW bus. Look at the paint job. It looks like it was like brushed on over here.
It's been owned by one family.
Since new.
Wow.
They got the camper bus.
This one's nice, though.
This would be perfect for road trips.
I would live in here.
I thought it was Josh.
Live in here. So nice. Did you restore it? That's awesome.
How long did it take you to restore it?
About a year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You do it all by yourself?
Mostly, yeah.
Oh wow.
I did get some help from some friends.
Oh, that's good. Is it air-cooled engine?
Yeah.
Yeah. Original?
It is the original.
Yeah, there's no coolant or anything. It's air-cooled.
Wow.
Yeah. 6.0 Impala.
I would roll around in this would be my daily driver for sure. Like, I don't even care.
This is a car you gotta do a video.
It's for sale.
Is it? It's for sale if you want to buy it.
Oh yeah. I'm reaching my pocket here.
Yeah. It's got the Krager SS's like my truck has.
I want it. How much do you think it's going for?
I'd say 20 at least.
Yeah, at least.
I love the taillights on the 6.4.
Then I played my old shit, it went something like this. Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the...
So that was all the cars at the show. Now we're heading over to all the grounded air show with all the planes.
Ready to check out my old ride. The Embraer 145.
That way. He's like, yeah, I own that plane. Is that what was that, B-52 or B-54? That thing's huge. Is that a fighter jet over there? Old Navy plane. A couple Navy planes. So babe, you used to be a flight attendant on these planes?
Yep.
That's awesome. What?
That's not rap.
What?
That's techno.
What did you think of the plane pool?
It was sweaty and hot.
Sweaty and hot?
We pulled with another team because we showed up late.
I think we're gonna call it a day at the plane pool. I think it's time we're gonna go get some food.
And drinks.
And drinks. So, I hope you all enjoyed the video. As always, remember, like and subscribe, and stay boosted.